Did you know that each year in the Chinese calendar is associated with a zodiac animal? These animals hold deep cultural and historical significance, influencing personality traits, fortune, and traditions. Stay tuned as we uncover which animal represents 2025 and what it means for the year ahead. The Chinese zodiac is a fascinating system based on a 12-year cycle, with each year represented by a different animal. These animals are the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. But how are these animals chosen? According to legend, the Jade Emperor invited all the animals to a race across a river. The first 12 to finish became part of the zodiac. This story not only explains the order of the animals, but also reveals traits associated with each one. 2025 is the year of the snake, a symbol of wisdom, intuition, and elegance in Chinese culture. People born under this sign are often seen as deep thinkers, charming and resourceful. This year, the snake is paired with the wood element, adding creativity and adaptability to its traits. It's a year for reflection, growth, and embracing new ideas. Chinese New Year is a time for family reunions, feasts, and traditions. Homes are cleaned to sweep away bad luck, and red decorations symbolize prosperity and happiness. During the Year of the Snake, some families might include snake-themed decorations or gifts to honor the zodiac animal. Fireworks, lion dances, and special meals create a festive atmosphere that brings communities together. Food plays a vital role during the celebrations, with dishes symbolizing wealth, health, and longevity. Each zodiac sign experiences the Year of the Snake differently. For some, it's a time of great opportunity, while others might need to focus on patience and self-reflection. Overall, 2025 promises to be a year of wisdom, creativity, and growth. No matter your sign, it's a chance to embrace the positive energy of the snake. As we welcome the Year of the Snake, let's celebrate the traditions and wisdom it brings. Whether you're seeking personal growth, family harmony, or simply enjoying the festivities, 2025 is a year full of promise. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Chinese New Year traditions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural insights. Happy Chinese New Year, and may the Year of the Snake bring you wisdom and prosperity.